It's 17 hours.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Anmol. You have to unmute yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Shagufa.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. So, okay, now 3 contestants they have joined. Anmol is there, Shagufa is
Good
there,
evening,
and
sir.
Mayank has come. Good evening, Mayank. As per our rule, we will start at sharp 5:05. Okay, so we are going to start now. So as of now, we have three participants, and we'll start with three. If someone joins in between, he or she will speak. Otherwise, we will carry on. The topic which we have finalized today is a very interesting topic. Profession is more important than passion. So we have discussed on profession and passion. So what job we do in our life, that is part of our profession. But sometimes we also have a passion which is different from the profession. There are very few lucky people who are having their passion as their profession. But in case you don't have profession and passion, same thing, in that case you keep on struggling, you keep on facing that, okay, why don't I have my own passion as my profession? So the motion is, profession is more important. So those who are for the motion, they will say profession is more important. And those who are against the motion, they will try to prove that passion is more important than profession. So as per the serial, the first one is Anmol. She will speak for the motion, that is, profession is more important than passion. So Anmol, you can start.
Hello. Good evening, all of you. Am I
Good evening.
audible?
Yes, yes, start Anmol.
Good evening, all of you. Myself, Anmol Uppal, and today my topic is profession is more important than passion. So I am totally agree with this point of view that profession is more important than passion, because in real life we need money, and we need to fulfill some basic requirements, and we have a lot of responsibility on our head. So when it comes to real life, we need profession, a very good profession, so that we can fulfill all our needs, basic requirements, like we can pay our bill from profession only, because it according to research, it is in survey, it is found that only few person achieve their passion, no sir, only few students are able to turn their passion into a profession. But more student, like most of the students are unable to convert their passion into profession. So basically, for acquiring a good profession and for getting a good job, we should learn something, and we should have an occupation which we get from educational training. And it is also acquired by our basic degree. And passion is something which we can say passion is a work which we do with our emotion, love, and with our full of interest. But passion is only for us, like only for ourselves. Like we can say, if we want to be happy, then we can follow our passion. But if we want to make other people happy too, then we should give more importance to our profession, so that we can fulfill our needs. Thank you.
Okay, okay, great. Good, Anmol. Time for Shagufa. And Shagufa also is for the motion. Profession is more important. You have to unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes.
Good evening, each and everyone. I'm going to speak for the motion. The topic is profession is more important than passion. A profession is a name given to an individual who has acquired knowledge and skills in a specific area of expertise. Profession include teachers, doctors, engineers, accountants, lawyers, judges, programmers, and the like of all such people. And profession is undeniably important in life. You cannot pay your bills or feed your family on just love and passion, and this is a harsh truth. And I'm of the belief that happiness derived from money? And suppose that the day you buy your first luxury car, it might be most memorable day in your life. And uh, this you can do just by your profession. And sacrificing your passion for profession would not make a difference first, as the ample money and nice shiny objects would be there to fill that hole in your heart. And your profession takes up 70% of your adult life. The average span of a profession is 40 years, 70%, which would amount to 20 years spent at work, and uh, and profession not only improve employment and career longevity, but can also provide an important community and a purpose and empowerment, allowing people's careers to contribute to the social good. And for example, without purpose, life is like a ship, and without a aim, those whose purpose is nothing, and they don't get anything up. Uh, they don't get anything. A profession depends on the ability and temperament of a person. So, profession create and maintain distinct professional values or moral obligation. So, it improves consumers' access to services and support economic activity, and encouraging confidence and trust in the services offered by professionals. That's all from my side.
Okay, thank you, Shagufa. It was nice hearing you. And now we have only one participant who is against the topic, and he is Mayank. So, Mayank, you can start against the topic. So, you will be highlighting passion is important than profession.
So can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Start. Start.
So first of all, I am very excited and delighted and very much thankful to you to give me opportunity to take participate in a very beautiful and on burning topic. I would like to remind the topic once again before I remove the curtain from a very beautiful topic, which is profession is more important than passion. According to my view, both the word passion and profession are the two opposite sides of a single coin, and can be said that both are the two wheels of a single vehicle, which is essential for the development of individual and also for the development of country. But according to my view, out of two words, passion vibrates more. Because if there is lack of passion in any work, then the people cannot afford its 100% towards any assigned task given by organization. And this should be the not up to the mark to the organization. If there is passion in any work, then the people can overcome any difficulty and he can put his organization up to the mark from bottom to top. Profession only fulfill the basic requirements, but it cannot fulfill the satisfaction. And the main thing in 21st century is satisfaction. According to me, from the two words, passion and profession, passion vibrates more. Passion beautifies the profession. And this is the key word. We should always remember it. I would like to give some example. The former Indian cricket captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Firstly, he was a ticket collector in railway, and railway is well reputed profession in India and outside also. But when the passion erupted in his mind, now the world know who is he. The second, I will go example through the captain of Kings 11 Punjab, KL Rahul. Firstly, he was an engineer in call center. But when his passion come, now the world know who is he. Sir, and all my dear friends, at last but not least, passion never let you down tired. it always gives you energy to do work. Passion is the only thing which always punch you to do something better. Thank you, sir.
Very nice prepared, Mayank. I'm so happy. Very nicely prepared. Now time for Anmol to go for second round. And if you want to examine Mayank, or you want to say something more in this context, you can speak. Anmol.
Yes, I'm agree with Mayank, but I wanna interrupt you that I know in 21st century satisfaction is very much important. But what if a person is not able to fulfill, like not able to follow their passion without money? They need money to follow their passion. Like in case of Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he is extraordinary man, so that he is chased by the person, and he followed his dream and he followed his passion. But in many cases, like people have their passion, people want to follow that their passion, but they are unable to do so because they have lack of money. They have lack of financial support, because not in everyone's family they have financial good financial support. And they are also not extraordinary, like they want to follow their passion, but they are not extraordinary like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. But they can be extraordinary with the help of training. And for that training, firstly he or she should have a profession, so that they can do their job independently and follow their passion too. I think side by side, after following their profession, they can also follow their passion. But with the help of passion, they can't survive in this 21st century, because in most of the cases, like passion, we have passion in arts. Like most of the students have passion for arts, sports, and different culture program, but they are unable to follow that because they have no money. Like they have no money um, learn the skills from the higher institute of that artistic thing. So I think with the help of profession we can also follow our passion, but with the help of passion we can't survive in 21st century. Thank you.
Okay, nicely put, Anmol. Now time for Shagufa. You want to say something in cross, or you want to put more points? You can do that. You have to unmute yourself. Yes.
Yes. Everyone in this world has his own likes and dislikes. So, is the case with choosing one's profession? As a child, everyone talks of becoming something, and which they like or which amuses them. But choosing a career is a serious task, and it is quite difficult to choose a profession. But the whole life of a person depend on his profession, and so one must have an aim in life, and and an aimless life is like a ship without a rudder, or like a letter without an address. Hence, there arises the necessity of choosing a profession. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Now, Mayank, you can combine both these, you can say, for the motion candidates, and you can put your points.
Both the participants are saying that money is important thing to fulfill the basic needs to achieve the aim. Sir, I would like to give an example of APJ Abdul Kalam Azad. He born in a poor family. His parents are not able to feed him. Later on, he is very interested in physics and he wants to become a scientist. But he have not money so much, so they can read in school also. So he started doing jobs. He in morning time he buy newspaper and working in a temple, and he collected money and read his graduation, completed his graduation, and finally become a scientist and he beautify the India. So the main thing is that money is only one part for to achieve the aim. And my participant says that, and the first participant says that by MS Dhoni is extraordinary. Sir, I want to tell that no one in the earth which is extraordinary by birth. They are extraordinary by their hard duty, hard work, passion. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was as a ticket collector. I will give thousands of examples, but there are passion. KL Rahul was doing in call center is well reputed job. He can fulfill all the needs of their family, but later on, when the passion comes, when the passion erupted, he achieve the actual thing in the life which they are and there. So, sir, money is only one criteria in our life to fulfill the basic needs. If you have achieved something extra, if you are passionate to something, then the novel present in the earth to stop you. Thank you, sir.
Good, Mayank. Very good. So we have done 2 rounds of discussion. Now, out of these 3 participants, anyone else is having any further strong points, or you want to say some other facts, you can do that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anmol, you can start.
As he said, example of APJ Abdul Kalam, I want to say when he has a passion for studying music, then he also chase a profession like teaching. Without a profession of teaching, he will be maybe he will um, not have he can't join his passion. He can't follow his passion. I think profession is also teaching is also profession. So firstly he chased profession for following his passion,
Okay, okay, point
because
taken.
with the help of teaching profession he is able to have money, and then after he follow his passion. And next thing I want to add, that passion term is maybe I can say passion is something is selfish, like we can say passion is selfishness, where we do passion, we follow our passion in selfishness, like we love some work, then we follow our passion. But profession is something which can we relate, which we can responsibility. So when we take responsibility, we have to take a good job. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Shagufa, you have any more points?
Yes.
Tell me.
I think each and every profession,
Mhm.
I think each and every profession is valuable because it's one's choice, and I just feel teachers play an important role today, and each one working professionally and contribute something or the others to the society, and let it be doctors, lawyers, engineers, or anyone working say in any profession. All they got to do is give the good to the society in whatever way they can, and so in short, every profession has its own meaning, can be useful society, and profession play a vital role in providing a trusted expertise founded on established standards that are pleased to inspire community expectations of good practice and social purpose or match. So that's all.
Okay, Mayank.
Sir, first participant said that he chose the path of teaching to fulfill his dream. Yes, sir, I am 100% sure with her, sir. But the main thing is that to write the history, you have to be passionate. He just choose a line to achieve his passion. It's just a medium to achieve this passion. And his teaching and or buying a newspaper is just to fulfill his dream. His dream is to be a scientist. Everything, every great people we know, we know they all are passionate to their work. They are not a profession. We can take example of Bhagat Singh, Major Unni Krishnan, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, etc. They are all are passionate to their work. That's all, sir.
Okay, so I have heard all the three participants' speech, and now I would like to keep in front of you my 3 points. First point is we should try to
Sir,
make.
one thing I have also
Please,
maintained. May I
please,
maintain,
please,
sir?
please.
Sir, one participant said that passion is greedy. Sir, once time a journalist said to Virat Kohli, why you never tired down?
Okay.
Then he told that cricket is my passion. Cricket is his passion for Virat Kohli, and to write a history, I repeat, to write a history, to know all over world, we have to passionate to each thing we have done in our life. Sir, but unfortunately, there are 133 crore people in India, but out of which 400 millions are doing a profession. But unfortunately, NSSO, with all things are surveyed by NSSO, National Survey of Science and Organization, out of which they do not survey how many people are passionate to their work. These are the main drawbacks. The history is written. The history have been written by those people who are passionate to their work, not they are in profession.
Correct.
If you have to do something great work, then you have to passionate to their work. If I want to join Indian Army, and my father said that go in cricket field, and I started playing cricket, then I cannot get much success. I can get some money, but I cannot achieve my aim. I cannot happy. I am not satisfied. I will not satisfy myself. And when I will join my aim, then I will be the happiest person in the world. That's all.
Okay.
Sir, one last thing. Sir,
please,
one last
please.
thing.
No issues. Tell me.
I want to tell that I am not telling you to forget your passion. I'm just telling you to work honestly in your profession so that you can follow your passion too. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
She is supporting me that you are join in which line of.
So she is telling that you keep your profession in your focus, but for that you have to be also going very nicely with your profession. Okay. So I will conclude. I will give you 3 points out of all these speech and facts. Point number 1. First, you try to make your passion your profession, if it is possible. In case it is possible, it is wonderful. Then just go ahead. In case you are unable to make your passion your profession, in that case, what profession you have chosen, try to develop interest in that and try to make it your passion so that you can do wonderful things in your profession. Number 3, in case you are unable to convert your profession into passion, in that case, keep going through your profession also, but side by side, keep your passion on, right? With the help of your passion, you are going to charge yourself, and if you are charged with the profession, you can do something good for the society. So, first, try to convert passion into profession if it is possible. If it is not possible, the profession which you have, try to make that profession your passion, then it's wonderful. If that is also not possible, then try to keep a balance, but never ever in your life you leave your passion, because profession is going to give you money, to give you purpose to live your life, to run your family, but the passion is something which is going to always keep you charged. That is also required. So profession and passion both are important for all of us. And I believe it was a very nice discussion. We came to know many good things about passion and profession, and I wish all of you, all three of you, that you may get your passion converted into your profession, right? Wishing you all the best, and in future we will again connect on Sunday. All the best, best wishes. Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, Shagufa. See you again.
Yes, see you again. Take care, sir. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye, Anil.
Oh.